Imagine this. You just snapped the perfect spicy photo, but now you're stuck staring at the screen trying to figure out the perfect caption to entice fans into clicking that locked PPV. What if GPTs could not only instantly generate the perfect caption, but it could do so just by looking at the photo itself? Stick around to the end of this video because I am going to share with you exactly how to use GPTs for that purpose alone. This video is going to cover everything about the Power Tier plan of GPTs that you didn't know you needed. Let's get into it. Today, I'm breaking down everything you didn't know about the Power Tier plan of GPTs and all the exciting features that go along with it that can help you elevate your content game. While our Pro plan remains the perfect personalized support with captions, DM inspiration, and short-form content, the Power plan actually unlocks your creativity with longer-form content, like explicit video script writing and engaging sexting sessions that last for hours, plus early access to cutting-edge features that we're working on rolling out. So here's what you can expect when you upgrade to the Power plan on GPTs. First, there's going to be massively increased prompt requests. You're going to jump from 30 prompt requests per day to a whopping 100, giving you plenty of room to brainstorm, create, and experiment. Next, you're going to notice that we have multiple personas. Multiple personas is so important because why settle for one style when you can have up to 3 distinct personas? This will allow you to effortlessly switch between multiple brand voices or online identities, maximizing your creativity and your reach. The Power Tier also has longer, richer AI responses. With the Power plan, GPTs doubles the response length, 24 compared to 12 on Pro. This is perfect for crafting detailed and seductive scripts or extensive, longer-form sexting sessions, guaranteed to keep your fans engaged and edging at the end of their seat. The Power plan also has double the prompt character limit, so never compromise on your creative vision ever again. With a prompt limit of over 12,000 characters, twice the Pro plan's limit, you can draft more elaborate scenarios and detailed storytelling, something you couldn't do as easily on our Pro plan. But that's not all. GPTs is actually smarter than it has ever been before. GPTs now has a feature called memory, and it'll remember crucial details across your personas. The more you use it, the smarter and more personalized your interactions are going to become. So you can say goodbye to repeating yourself. GPTs knows you, and now it knows your brand. You can also delete your memories on things that GPTs tries to remember that aren't as relevant. It's all at your fingertips and under your control. Next, GPTs has Think mode. If you've got a complex problem or project, GPT's new Think mode handles strategic tasks. So think multi-scene scripts, comprehensive live multi-step webcam show outlines, or brand strategy. It's even fantastic for your content calendars. It's like having your own personal brainstorming assistant right there at your fingertips and on demand. The Power Tier also introduces real-time search mode with our new search button. So if you need real-time, up-to-the-minute information, the Power plan's new search mode pulls real-time data from the web, which is perfect for refreshing on platforms' terms of service, for example, or seeking out what's trending online right now so that you can capitalize on it as a creator. Now, as I promised you at the very beginning of this video, I was going to go into our image upload feature. So now here is the game changer that you've been waiting for. The GPTease Power plan lets you upload images and PDF documents directly into your prompts. So imagine effortlessly creating the perfect alt text for a social media post, or generating irresistible captions for Instagram, or even better, for our use case, crafting engaging, seductive descriptions for your fan site or PPV content, all directly from your uploaded photos. Maybe you have scripts already made from your past or sexting sessions that have done really well. You can simply upload them to your PDF documents and GPTs can enhance them, improve them, or completely reimagine them, saving you lots and lots of hours of work. Now that you've seen what the GPTease Power plan can do for your business, the question isn't whether or not you can afford to upgrade, it's whether or not you can afford not to. Imagine the ease, imagine the creativity, and imagine the hours you're going to save and the more revenue you're going to make because you're being more efficient in your business. That's exactly what you get to gain by upgrading to the power tier of GPTs. So don't let your competition get ahead of you. This is a very competitive landscape right now in adult. You don't want to get left behind because you have limited tools. So if you're ready to step into your power as a creator, click the upgrade button on GPTease and give yourself the power plan and the tools that you deserve. Your content and your earnings will thank you. Thanks for watching.